I'm going to show you how to edit your school website. So first you're going to go to effinghamschools.com. At the top you'll see Site Manager. Click it, and then it'll take you to your username and password. This is where you use your district username and password, and you'll sign in. I have mine saved. Then it'll take you to the same page. It looks the same. You can access the intranet here whenever you sign in. But to edit your website, you want to click Site Manager. Then it takes you to a new place where your website is. As you can see, I already have things here because I was a teacher here last year. If you already have pages here, you can click into them and edit them. If you want to edit something already there, you'll hover over the Edit button. If you are a new teacher and you do not have anything, you will need to create a new page. There are tons of options here to have different layouts. It is totally up to you. The easiest I have found is to just have a blank page, and you need to name it. Save and continue, and it gives me a blank page. Here I can grab things. If I want to grab things, if I want to put pictures, I'll grab image. If I want to put content, I'll grab content. And then whenever you're ready to edit, you'll click the Edit button. Content is probably the easiest. You can actually add links, pictures, you can insert files here, you can change if it's bold, how big your font is. There's tons of things to do here. Once you type in, you can make this big. It's different things you can do. There's a toolbox. You can center things. It's tons of things you can do. You just have to play with it. Once you save it, that becomes on your web page. So if I add an image here, it actually takes me to another thing, and I'll select the file, upload image or cloud. I'm going to upload from my computer, come to my pictures, find a picture, open, and it puts it right in. If you see at the bottom, it's taken a minute to download. And then you'll just insert image. So, when you have done this, you click this Save button, or it will not save. Okay, I'm just going to type that as picture of Emory. It wouldn't let me go. So it's there. You can edit it, you can delete it. But just to show you that I added a page, when you go to the top left, View Website, it'll show you what your website looks like. I added this hello. This is a test, so it added my picture to my page. I don't like it. Edit page. I don't like my hello that I've added. Actions. Delete. Yes. Some of you would like to add links. You can add links two different ways. You can edit. This is in the Content app. I can hover over and see all these different options. Insert link. I'm going to do web address because that's what I want to insert. Maybe the Scholastic web. I'm going to copy this link, go back, paste it, click here for Scholastic. Open a new window, insert link. There it is. I want to make it centered. I'm going to hit save, or it's not going to save. Exit out. And then I'm going to view my website. Right here at my welcome page, they can actually click here for Scholastic now. If you don't like it, go back in, hit your edit button, and I will simply erase it. Save. Now I'm going to go back. You can also add a link by coming to this link down here. Hold it, drag it. You can put it at the top or bottom. I'm going to put it at the top. Then I can either click add or edit. I'd rather edit. Or excuse me. We want to add a link. my link title, ReadWorks. Click here for ReadWorks. Scroll down. We need to copy and paste your link. This way, it makes you put a date for the start date and end date. I'm just going to put a random date in and make sure that they can see into the new year. And then it is there. So I'm going to exit out and show you view website, and the link went there a different way. So the link the other way was in my text right here. When you do the drag and drop, it appears either at the top, or if I'd have chose the bottom, it would have been at the bottom. So there's many different ways to edit. I'm not really wanting that there, so I'm going to hover and click the trash can. Okay. If there's any other questions you have about how to add a page or anything else, please let me know. Thank you.